was that? Oh, right! I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. And I said no good! Come on! Ah!
Hey, Sammy, why are you roaring over there?
It doesn't work, Sue! What am I gonna do?
What do you want to make from this? An origami?
It was supposed to be the Marauders map, Sue, but I couldn't reveal it!
Did you forget this magic doesn't work outside Hogwarts?
Ah, that must be it!
I can show you a different kind of magic of paper and light. Come on.
No kidding! Let's go!
Hi, everyone. Today we're gonna do some magic.
Based on a famous epic story. Hi, guys! Give us a thumbs up if you are thrilled to see the result of our craft just as much as I am.
We'll make a paper-cut lightbox using some scenes from the Harry Potter story. Before we start, let me explain the whole concept first. This is gonna be a kind of 3D lightbox, and in order to get this effect, we'll draw 8 different pictures. Each of them should be visible through the previous one.
Sue, that sounds confusing.
Give me a couple of minutes, Sammy, and you'll get it. Guys, do you recognize this creature?
Is that a Dementor?
Right you are, Sammy. Those were the most frightening accomplices of Lord Voldemort.
No, Sue! Don't say that name out loud!
Oh, please, Sammy, don't be afraid. We've read all the books so many times. You already know the outcome.
You're right, but still, that made me a bit nervous. I'll go fly on my broom a bit to calm down. Woohoo!
Oh, that's a lovely thing to do, Sammy. Okay, the first layer is done. Let's proceed.
This looks like a sketch to me. Where is the color? The depth?
Look at you, Mr. Arts Critic. We'll reach the depth if you help me draw the rest of the layers.
This will be my pleasure, Susan. Just tell me what to draw.
Use your imagination, Sammy, and stick to the main theme. In the meantime, I'm going to draw the main characters. They had to fight so many times back to back against Lord Voldemort.
Susie, did you forget?
All right, against you-know-who, right, Sammy?
Yeah, sounds better. By the way, check this out.
Wow, let me see. Guys, would you look at this tiny Hogwarts Express? And the bridge! Sam, you're a master!
Well then, I'm gonna go draw Hagrid's hut.
That's excellent. And I think we can speed up a bit.
4 more layers, pictures, which are also the layers. Anyway, they're done!
That was fast, but I need just a sec to wrap up with my drawing. Stay tuned, guys.
We're back and ready for some magic! I even grabbed my magic wand! Woo-woo! Oh, looks like Susie grabbed a magic cutter!
Nope, just a regular one. Now we're gonna cut out this drawing. Remember to be very careful with the cutting tool, guys. At the same time, try to be very precise. We need to follow straight along these lines, just like this. Whoop.
How do you like that giant spider that I drew, Susie?
It looks terrific. I guess it's a tribute to the second part of the story.
It sure is. Our Peter gave me a hint to draw Aragog. He was awesome in the movie.
Oh, yeah? Then why were you hiding under the blanket when we were watching that part?
It wasn't necessary to tell our viewers about that.
Right, I'm sorry, Sammy. I won't do that again, I promise. All right, guys, this is what we've got. And here is the very first layer of our whole picture. Do you like it? Give us a thumbs up if you do.
Sue, I think I got this. I hope you don't mind if I try cutting out a layer or 2.
All right, Sammy. Just don't rush and be careful. There's some really tiny silhouettes.
Here you go. It's kind of delicate. Be careful, okay?
Here's the third layer of our picture. Let's place it right here. Cool. Shall we use some magic? Wow, check out how awesome it is.
Sue, I didn't get it. What happened? What was your magic about? Did it even work?
It sure did. Look, a train showed up here, and here are the main characters, Ron, Harry, and Hermione.
Wow, Sue, that's really awesome. Wait, where's my headwig? I need to
Cool off, Sammy. She must have left to get you a letter. Guys, we're gonna need this tracing paper for the last layer to make everything look neat.
I need to hurry up.
Sammy, be careful. I think platform 9 3/4 is...
Ah! I guess Dobby blocked the barrier again. Ugh.
You're so funny. Guys, if you want to see what's next, give us a thumbs up.
Sue, I've been Whoa!
What was that, Sammy?
I think I forgot when I stumbled on those sticks. What are they doing here?
These sticks, as you called them, are the future frames for our drawings. I need one more.
Let's see if you can take it first.
Stop clowning. Give it to me. By the way, I should actually call them spacers. Using these foam board sticks, we'll make the frames. It's very easy. Let's apply some glue.
Wow, Susie. Be careful with the glue, please. And you guys, don't get stuck to anything.
Okay, the first corner is ready. Let's keep gluing.
Sue, did you finish already? I can't wait anymore.
Almost. Our first frame is ready. We need 7 more. Sammy, can you help me with this?
Sure thing. You don't even have to ask.
Great. We've come to the most interesting part, the light. These are LED strip lights. They will make the whole picture glow beautifully. We'll be able to change colors with this remote control. It's so cool, but I think we're missing something.
Of course we are. We forgot the back wall. Where are you going to attach all this?
Right, Sammy. We're going to attach our LED strip lights right here. Let's see.
I think I better go supervise Susie. Wow, cool. I guess you're doing good without my supervision. Guys, pay attention. This piece is the same size as our pictures.
It's easier to work with lights when they are placed on double-sided duct tape. I advise you to bend the strip this way when you get to the corners. Glue this piece in the left bottom corner. It will power the whole system.
It will help emphasize the most important elements and bring additional shapes to our 3D image.
Done! See? In the end, the LED strip reminds me of a snake.
Sue, enough talking! Just turn it on!
All right. Cool, it works!
I never doubted you. I'm gonna go check the rest of the pieces.
In the meantime, we can finally start assembling the light box itself. First comes this picture that Sam drew. The picture will be the closest one that we'll see. Let's place it right here. Perfect fit. Next, we're gonna put the foam board frame like this. Secure it well, the paper shouldn't move.
We'll repeat these steps with all our pictures and frames. Be careful, because the pictures are fragile.
Here comes the next layer, this way.
Sorry, Sue, but can we speed it up a little?
You're so impatient, Sammy. Just a little bit left. We're at the finish line.
Vroom, vroom! Guys, while Sue's finishing, you have the time to subscribe to our channel.
And this is why we need tracing paper to create diffused light. Last but not least, the back wall with a little hanger and a stand.
Come on, Sue! Close the lid! Finally! Woohoo!
Okay, guys, we only need to fasten our construction. 1 and 2 and 3.
Turn it on, Sue! Come on!
Okay, guys, are you ready to see some Hogwarts magic?
The Deathly Hallows. Exactly!
Sammy, what are you doing there?
Susan, we made a wonderful light box, but we've missed something very important.
Really? But we even have the Quidditch field back there. What's missing?
We've made only one light box, but there are 2 of us!
Okay, you can keep this one in your room. Guys, we hope you liked our craft today. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our cool new videos.
And definitely don't forget to give us a thumbs up!
See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.